ET48.3 bad boy. You see the cold grapes. Get your fresh apparel. Keeping it simple with the leisure tees this summer. Anyway, Tekno ET48.3. Let's just take it through some paces right quick. I'm running a Red Cat system. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I'm running a Red Cat system that I took from a Keiju. Enough yapping. Shocks are plush, man. I love how this jumps and lands. Truggies in general, but you can really get a feel for it when you take that wing off. Put a little truck body on it. Ooh. This shit turns on a dime, man, on a dime. Straight up. And the MT410 turns like that as well, man. I don't know what it is. This thing turns on a dime. Oh. Nope. Try again. Try again. Oh. Thumbnail. Oh! Too much sauce. Oh, shit. It's getting fun. Hold up, y'all. Fast as shit. Let's do it. Good old monster truck. This shit's crazy. I used to hear people, you know, I used to look at the forums, RC Tech, and just different forums, man, and everybody would talk how the ET48.3, you can put the power down more, you know what I'm saying? And people were saying you can have more fun with the Tekno Truggy. And that's always up for opinion because you can't really do flips on this. You know, you need big ass jumps to do flips with this. You need bigger tires to do flips with this. So if you want to do flips in the air and stunts, then I'd get the MT410 straight up. But if you, like they say, if you want to put the power down, and just have a capable ass monster truck, I stand in agreement, man. Like, it's a beast. It's a beast like this, in this format. It's fun, man.